I will go over how to manage your profile, connect with other people, and use Spark to manage your daily life. Create a profile by clicking the blue Join Now button at the top right. You can either sign up by entering your information below or signing up via other platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Google, or Apple. Once you're logged in, you can click your name or image at the top right to access the drop down menu. Click the first button colored in blue titled Profile. On here, you click the edit icon over your profile image to change your profile photo. If you look at the center of the page, you will see 5 buttons in one row. 3 of the buttons have yellow color icons. If you click the icon for the purple button, you can change the title of the Make an Offer button to anything. I'm going to change it to Serious Inquiries. Anyone who clicks this button will be able to propose an amount with a date and time to either meet in person or virtually. I can review the details and accept the offer. If it is a monetary offer, the funds will be held in escrow until the engagement has been executed. I can change the title of scheduled meeting or choose not to display it on my profile. I'm going to change the title to Office Hours. If people click this button, they will be able to see my meeting availability and rates and schedule a meeting. I can change the title of Ask Me Anything, which is similar to an in-mail message via LinkedIn. But in this scenario, people can incentivize you to respond by offering you a payment if you respond to their question. On the next row, you see 4 buttons. I can change my password, email address, phone number, profile status, privacy settings, notifications, messages, payout, and click analytics to see who and when people have viewed my profile page. I click the blue colored edit profile button and I can change all the information that I entered when I created my profile, like my about section, race, gender, and name. Look at social media links and profile status. If I scroll down, I can decide who can see engagements I participated in or post I'm affiliated with by clicking the public or edit button. I can enter in my education, work experience, add a video, add publication links, view my rankings, and participation history. I scroll back up and see my connections. I click the image of Sean and view his profile and decide I want to message him. So I click the Message Me button and I can start my conversation.